Hey guys, so today is Tyrone's birthday, so we're going on a little adventure. He's not sure where we're going. Maybe he has an idea where, but I didn't tell him. But I will have to tell him soon because we leave out shortly. I'm currently waiting on my cousin to get back. You know, because of Corona, we have to have a mask. He never have no mask, so I'm gone for a mask. And I like my glasses. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys when we're on our way. Birthday boy! Alright, so we've entered the park. However, we're waiting to go on the first ride or lift. So as you enter, you're going to go on a Sky Explorer. I'm going to show you guys shortly.
Okay.
So we're next.
Fast, huh?
Alright, next.
It's time.
Alright, on the footprint, get ready. Now I'm gonna stop. I'll sit down now.
So we're off. Don't cry. Look how high we are. This is not even the highest. I'm front. What's your man?
That's what I will come last time. I eat my last.
No, dear brother. How are you feeling?
Send you out.
Happy birthday, babe! Look at the view, bro. Look at the view. What we're on now is the Sky Explorer. It's the first ride that you go on when you enter. And oh, look at the view. So I was saying the Sky Explorer is a 15-minute ride, but it's really slow, hence why it's 15 minutes, I guess. And the sun is hot, so it stops at different points to pick up other persons and probably to drop off.
Take picture.
Yeah, and
Stop to take picture.
oh yeah, we'll stop to take picture up there. So oh yeah, somebody's taking their picture now. So yeah, as soon as we reach the top, I'll get back to you guys. Okay.
Go on. Don't wait for him now.
I'm afraid enough. Yeah. You afraid too? Yeah, drive us too. And we're off. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. What me not buck up and damn it down here? Yo, that me cry now.
I done.
I'll carry up slow. Oh my god. You had to go. How was it?
It was fun. Like always.
So we're slowly going back up now. Yeah, so one ride down. We'll have, I think, two more. We'll have, I think, two more to go. Right, so now we're going to go on the Anansi web. This is the Anansi.
So good evening, guys. My name is Conroy. I am your guide for the moment. Thanks for making it Mystic Mountain. First and foremost, guys, when the safety cable is being connected, there's no reason to try to fidget with it. Remove your safety cable, okay? You have to manually move the safety cable as it does not move automatically. The other thing, you don't be afraid. If you slip it up behind by the cable like this, there's no reason you're going to fall to the ground, okay? So here we go. Step forward, sir.
So we have to on this right now. Then put her on about.
We're about to restore life.
Yeah.
Restore lives.
Well, you know, say this one.
A regular thing for you that you're
Yeah.
trying to say?
No sweat. That's it, man. We do this every day. We are living. Every day we are living. So, see, I see a full view here. Or kinda. Everything will go on. And there goes Chrissy on the first obstacle. On the spider webby web. She's such a little teeny spider. Apparently a them thing here, you just slide in a groove and even if you fall off of the web, you have them safety harness up with a carabiner for hold you in the air. Right, so Chrissy, I gotta try go for I try go for the thing here with the board then. You got this little board walking. When I walk on. See them? Not that far from the ground. As you can see. She has stand up on a little rope.
He's about to come across now. Ready? Yeah, babe, so. You sure? So we finished the obstacle course. We're heading to the Ragamuffin ride. Gang, gang. So the Ragamuffin ride is off now.
So raga about it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. That's so cool and nice, yeah.
I really think this did way scary, you know?
Yeah, it's just cool.
Yeah, relaxing. Ish, not relaxing, but it, you know? I really thought it was way scarier. And it's over.
Oh.
Okay. How was the ride?
It's alright. Yeah.
Alright.
The most fun part of the bobsled, as always.
Because you go fastest, that's why it's the most fun part. The obstacle course did alright.
They're alright.
The Ragamuffin ride,
They're alright.
yeah, did alright. All of them did alright.
Ragamuffin could have more
Exciting.
exciting.
No, I didn't want to start off fast. We're going to go on the bobsled again, but this time I might not record it because I want to enjoy it.
Yep.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys. So we finished everything and we're on our way back to the bottom.
Why?
Wifey bottom.
Why? I go back down below.
On our wifey that we're on our way back to where we started, where we entered the property. The day was good for me. How about you?
Nana rum.
Yeah. I mean, the amount of rum and spray
Let
power.
me tell you. Yesterday the day was good. Fun-filled.
Let's see if it's gonna get better.
Yeah. So we're taking the Sky Explorer back down to
Entrance.
the entrance.
The
Another
exit.
It's another 15 minutes, so
To the exit.
yeah. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, my head hurt me. Fix up here.
I flash for excitement.
So we're at Plantation Steakhouse.
And she have on the flasher. That cause me excitement. When people are look over here, I wonder which celebrity.
Alright, so I ordered stuffed chicken breast with mac and cheese, and he ordered steak and shrimp with rice and peas.
Even the one that me don't want.
Yeah, he didn't want that. He wanted the rib. He's going to get the rib, but just not tonight because they don't have any.
Tomorrow night, the birthday celebration continues.